Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. And we have given two assignments, and we'll first break down the things and we'll be work on the solution for afterwards. Now the actually today's agenda is that the breakdown the assignment. So the first assignment says as a topic we have the performance analysis, a breakdown. So for an objective we have the AI chatbot on the side, habit.in, and think like a real customer like pre-sales, post-sales, and product recommendation. What we have to do, analyzing the performance of chatbot and what works and what doesn't work for you. Uh, what you have to do is step by step. You can look of it, explore the different scenario in that. What are the scenario pre-sale, post-sales, recommendation, general queries we have? For an example given here for the pre-sales, what are the ingredient in this product? Can you suggest product for dry skins? Before you say this, post-sales, you can ask the order and how can I return a product like that, and recommendation like which supplements is best for the weight loss. It's like I suggest a gift combo under 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, right? General queries you can ask that do you deliver outside India or something like that. So here the important note I have to consider is that the multiple tabs incognito to test fresh conversion without context. Note observation while chatting, make notes like what worked well, like was the reply helpful, was it a fast, or was the answer personalized, what did work actually for us, was the reply irrelevant, and did it fail understand, and was the tone robotic, unfriendly. Third, we have to look up to reporting the things, so prepare your finally. So what I tested here, so list all your test scenario and same question. What I like, list positive, good features, helpful replies, and good UX. Right? What I didn't like, actually list negative, confusing answers, wrong info, slow replies. Improvement I can suggest for the new features or fixes would be much better in that. Better to have a get a screenshot and can actually scenario for it. Evaluation criteria here, how many different types of user query you thought of, how well you could spot the strength and weakness, and how nicely you wrote the report. Means that you can give the nicely prompt here and suggest smart improvement. Pre-sales means asked about the ingredient, right? Product use cases. Asked about the tracking order, return policy, recommendation like that. What I liked and something. And bonus tip here, imagine yourself a happy customer, an angry customer, and a confused customer. Test bot reaction for each. This will make your report stand out. So at the very first assignment that what we have given actually, we have to observe the scenario like pre-sales, post-sales, recommendation, so on. And we have to take a screenshot of it and look up into the chatbot that how it is responding to us actually. Is it a fast reply, slow reply? Is it relevant to the questions, or somewhere it's going down to the expected standard? Now assignment number 2 here, we have the Python and LLM interaction breakdown. So objective for that, we have the modify only the base prompt or completion prompt so that AI chatbot replies the same language as the users. So don't change content or conversation, only adjust the prompt smartly. So while you're talking to your chatbot in a Hindi language, don't try to get into the English actually. If you are into that, be a smart guy in that. You have a JSON file with the 5 entries. Each entry has a base prompt, system initial setup, content, product or company information. Conversation means user messages. Completion prompt means like a final instruction for chatbot. The problem here is that the AI responds in a wrong language. Goal, we have to make small edits to base completion prompt to reply in a correct languages. So that's what we have. Our agenda is that in that. Step-by-step plan. So load the JSON file here, read the provided chat JSON file, analyze each entry. So for each conversation, look at the user language, Hindi, English, Marathi, something like that. Decide should I fix base prompt or completion prompt. Example fixes like add to base underscore prompt, respond in a SAM language as the user says, or add to completion prompt, ensure reply is in Hindi if the user uses Hindi. So modify only prompt actually here. So edit the base or completion prompts to fix the languages issue. No changes to the content and the conversation. Now the point number 4, it says that call OpenAI API. So API is the application programming interface using Python and GPT-4 or mini model, like send request for format, get AI response here, verify if the reply is now in the correct language, CMAP JSON file. After successfully modification, save the new JSON file. Right, an example you can see that the below they have given it final delivery things that modify the JSON file. Like as I told you that the chat underscore data underscore modified or JSON. Jupyter notebook assignment underscore solution dot for the Python script also. Read me dot md explaining what you change, why you change, and how to run the code on a different database. Create a zip containing notebook, modify JSON, read me. Important tips: keep change minimal, don't break the original structure. If language is mixed, guide AI to match it. Document your reasoning very clearly in a README. Bonus if you have automated language detection, but not compulsory. So guys, here we have break down the 2 assignments that we have given here, and with this we have to submit the solution for that, and we'll be work on the next scenario things, right? Coming up with the solution and try to solve it up, and we can use for this 2 questions we have given here, use the AI. But what happens that once you complete it and go for the submission part, automatically it get to know that machine that it's a AI generated or something like that. So better to have try to write in your own languages, and grammar mistakes is there, it's fine, but the formatting things have to be covering up, and what needs to be done, nothing is done, right? So that's all of my time for the today. Hope you enjoy the session for the today, and that's all of my time, and see you in the next lecture in the next video. Bye. Peace.